Hi everyone, this is Cristy Helsham with HawaiiStamper.com. I am showing you guys how to make the simple card that is shown on the annual catalog, page 33, called This Little Piggy. Let me show you guys that. That is page 33. That is this one. Oops. Hello. Page 33. I'm going to show you guys how to make these cards right here that's featured on this page. Again, these are the what is used, except for I'm switching the Petal Pink dark to the Flirty Flamingo light, and we're using Granny Apple Green light. Okay, and let's get started. This is the Little Piggy stamp set right here, and we are going to use You Make Me Happy. Aren't they so cute? And I already put it in my block. This is a block letter D, and that's how I put it in there. These are the stamping blends. Again, this is the Granny Apple light, and this is the Flirty Flamingo light. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. I am using the Whisper White cardstock that's cut in half. That's 8.5 by 11, so I just cut it in half, which is 5.5. Okay, and okay, we are going to start with the Stampin' Blend Flirty Flamingo. First off, I'm going to go ahead and fold this in half, and to have a crisp edge, I'm going to use my bone folder. This is the Stampin' Up one. Okay, like that, and we're gonna go crisscross. Okay, as much as I could. I am not a good line drawer, but as much as we try, we'll do this, like this, and I just using the brush that is thicker side of it. This blend has two sides, a skinny side and a thicker side. So almost there. I want to bore you in doing this, but I have to show you. So this is, I'm gonna go start from this end to this end, this end to this end, like this, like so. And that's on that, and then I'm gonna try. Okay, and if it's not perfect, don't worry about it, which is why it's crafting. Okay, that's on that. Oh, let me just touch the edge on that part right here. Okay, and cover this. We're done with this one. And then we're gonna do the skinny side part of the Granny Apple. That is just on one side of the card. So we're just gonna do this right here and right here. Just kind of follow the edge of the pink that you initially started off with. Let's go all the way up. And as shown in the picture, we have only going to do this on one side. Okay, see how easy that is? It's supposed to be de-stressing. I started off as a hobby because at the time I'm having too much stress at work, so I was looking for something to de-stress, and I found that I like doing this. Always crafting when my kids are young. I started off with scrapbooking, and as they are young men now, I still have some stuff to finish, but I enjoy doing card and other stuff that I can do with paper crafts here with Stampin' Up, because it's so versatile, easy to use. Now I cut a strip of I think this is about 2 inches of strip of white cardstock, and this is the memento. I put blends marker on it because the blends would not bleed while using this as an edge for the stamp. So I usually do this, and I use my stamp going this way. It's easier for me, and I can see if it's all inked up nicely. Okay, set that aside, and I'm gonna stamp right about here. So what you're gonna do is stamp down, don't wiggle, wait a little bit, and then lift straight up. Ooh, I kind of cut off the ears. I don't like that. Okay, let's try this again. I cut a long strip of paper because I should cut it a little wider. Maybe I should cut it on a 3 inches instead of a 2 inches. So flip that over, and let's try this again. Hopefully I don't cut anything else. Straight down. I think I cut the me. Okay, flip this one again. We're just having fun, okay? So just the joy of paper. It's only paper, and if you get inked up on your fingers, don't worry about it. You can wash it out with soap and water. Okay, so don't panic if you got ink on your fingers. I did that when I first started stamping. I was like, oh my gosh, I have so many inks on my fingers. So okay, there you go. You make me happy. So get that and set aside our stamp, and I'm just going to use a simple scissor. What happened to my little one? Stampin' Up also have a scissor. It's called snip, but I'm gonna use this one. Okay, oops, show you guys. Cut that right there, and I wanted to cut this in half right here because I'm gonna make like a banner. Okay, get that right there, from edge to edge. Oop. I guess I cut that one a little. Okay, alright, ta-da! Okay, we're gonna get this mess out of there. Now to color the piggy, I'm gonna use the Petal Pink again, the right side. Okay, show me, got this easy. I'm gonna shade later on some areas of the piggy. So I chose light because I can go back and make some areas a little darker. But this Flirty Flamingo, all the blends have a light and a dark combination. As you can tell, she's a very happy piggy. So I'm just gonna color this flower and color her snout, and go back to where the areas I wanted to shade a little darker. That's in there, and probably the belly, since the light will touch that. And there you go, voila. And then I'm gonna color the leaves. That's this one right here, and the ground, because there's some spots that has leaves in there. And I usually would just probably gonna do this, just so that maybe a little grass she's standing on. And I could use some other color blends, but try to keep it true on the picture. Now I'll get this back, and we're gonna make it this way. I'll make sure I open the card, okay, that way. And I'm going to use a dimensional right here. Let's see, I'm gonna flip this one around. Let's just see all those stuff that I made a boo-boo on. You're not gonna see it, but the blends will bleed on the other side. So but we're just gonna flip it over, and so just peel this stuff. This is our large dimensionals. There's also mini dimensionals that I use for a smaller project thing. So and then I'm just gonna put it right in there in the middle, and this is done. How easy that is, huh? Okay, let's go to the next one. We're going to do the stripe one. So this is the other half of the cardstock that I cut. So we can make, I'm making 2 cards for you today. I'm going to use the bone folder to have a crisp edge. Now if you want to be joining my team, it's very easy, or you can call me and just sign up. This month is the best month to sign up because before the end of the month you can also pre-order the products are going to be in the new catalog. It's $99 plus shipping and handling, and that's usually less than what it's normally buy for each product. So you can tailor your own things that you want. If you're already crafter and you have some stuff, then you know you can pick and choose what you want in the catalog for $99 as a starter. Or you can be just a hobbyist if you want to, or a business build. So it's very, Stampin' Up is very versatile as far as what you wanted to do. They're not gonna call you or stuff like, you know, as far as signing or joining my team. For my customers, just as a reminder, I am mailing the new catalog as of next week, Monday, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you so much for supporting me. Sorry, for supporting me in being my awesome customers and family and friends. As you know, I'm fully doing this online. I will venture out eventually as a what you call face-to-face one, only because I do work full-time currently. I am in with my career for the past 20 years. Okay, so I'm gonna get the other strip that we stamped earlier, and I'm gonna use a different stamp set this time. I'm gonna use, it's called Hugs and Kisses. So Hugs and Kisses. Oop. Get that one. And take this one. See how easy to peel. I will clean this later after I'm done. And Hugs and Kisses. And it's there. And open this one. Ink it up. See that? Easy for me to see. And Hugs and Kisses. Let's see. Oop. Let me get out of the thing there for a little while. I'm so sorry. You need to be rude. Okay. Hugs and Kisses. Ta-da! How fun is that? Okay. And we're just gonna cut it. I will show you guys to put the twine in there, but I am not good at making ribbons, so I'm not even gonna attempt to show you guys how to do that. But there is a twine at the edge of the I try, y'all. I did try. I just couldn't make the bow. I think I'm gonna need more practice. Oops. Okay, there you go. I'm putting the dimensionals right here and dimensionals right here. I'm just gonna put it on the 4 corner. Okay, it's right there and right there, and then I'll just peel it off. So it's a double-sided dimensionals. If I get off there for a little bit. Hello, didn't even color it, but you guys get the gist. But I'm gonna go ahead and color it, even though I'm gonna put it down now. Hello. So using the Granny Apple again and my Flirty Flamingo. This is one of my favorite blends, so gonna color the snout and the ears. It's sometimes I like doing it this way because I kind of do the contour of the piggy. Isn't it so cute, guys? I love this one. So I also gonna have an event called paper share. So I'm gonna, if you guys want to join that paper share, I'm gonna have the sign up starting next week, and I'm gonna need at least 8 of you guys to sign up because I'm gonna have the designer series papers a 6x6, and it's gonna be 6-pack, and I'm gonna be charging $40 for it, and you guys gonna love it. It's truly gonna love this. The next year's catalog has a bunch of designers series of paper, and it's awesome. Okay, look at this, and a granny apple green for that. Hugs and kisses. How cute is that? So simple, isn't it? Okay, again, I just used the blends marker, and if you don't have a block, it's block D. That's this one right here. It's a letter D block that fits the piggy nicely, and 2 of the blends. So our granny apple green light, and I use a Flirty Flamingo, and this is a light also. Again, you can use the Petal Pink that says on the catalog, and any questions, email me or call me. Again, my website is www.hawaistamper.com. That's hawaistamper.com. Talk to you guys later. You have a great day. Bye.